Howdy lads, today I decided to surprise my friend PYSter for reaching the incredible achievement of 6 subscribers. I'm gonna draw an epic poster for him, and I'm gonna surprise him with it at the end of the video. Let's get started. So what you're seeing now is footage from my 4th attempt at this drawing. I really wanted to make an epic dynamic pose, but I haven't practiced drawing that enough to do it very well. At this point in the recording process, I was already very frustrated, so I didn't take much time to record very fun shots. It's just the basic time lapse. It's been a minute. I spent quite a long time working on that, and it didn't come out very good. It kinda sucks. I tried really hard to do a nice dynamic swordsman pose. I'm not good at that. It didn't come out good. Let's draw a new picture. Alright, we've made good progress with this piece so far, but I'm gonna take a break to stream with some buddies on Twitch.
Oh no!
This player's signature dance move.
Okay. Oh my god! Oh no! What did he say? What did he say? What did he say?
Well, that was fun, but it's time to get back to work. Let's get some inking done.
You are now listening to Makarosu8299.
I recently had some people ask me how I do my line art, so I'm going to run down a few of the materials and techniques I use. The first layer of ink I lay down is done with my dip pen. I use the G pen nib because it offers more line variety than the Maru or the Saju pen nib. The rest of my inking process happens after the coloring because the pens I use for extra detail might get smeared by Copic markers, so we'll talk about that when we get there. Now I'm going to use my ink brush pen to fill in some of the black. There's really no reason for this other than it's fun, and I kind of think it comes out smoother than my other black pens. It's time to add in a little bit of shading. It really adds a lot of depth and flavor to the drawing. Now I'm gonna do something fun. I'm using a cotton ball and covering it in colored ink, and I'm gonna lightly cover the background of the drawing with it. Now I'm gonna finish this off with the last layer of inking. Using a black Posca pen lets me make really thick lines, and that line depth is the one thing about my style that I really love. Alright, we're done. Let's sign this sucker and get driving. Alright, I'm gonna break in. I gotta be very quiet. What'd the dog do, though?
Hey guys, how's it going? It's PYSter11 here. Welcome back to another video. Today is one of my first videos I've ever done with Facecam. That's kind of the point of all this stuff. Oh! Like a lot of stuff, you know, it's really cold in here, but... Oh. What the heck are you doing, bro?
Hey guys, press the like button. Well, here we are at PYSter's house. So here's the thing. I drew this picture for you first, alright?
Bro, this is epic.
But I didn't like this one.
No, it's sick, dude.
I didn't like it.
I love
it. I hated it. So I drew you a second one. I drew you this.
Yo, dude, this is actually sick.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was really fun to draw something for my buddy over here. If you liked it,
subscribe.
Exactly. You heard the man. Subscribe right now. PYSter11, link to his channel in the description.
Oh yeah.
He makes epic gamer Mario World Galaxy vlogs.
No, it's Minecraft.
Go subscribe to him, show him some love, and if you really liked this video, subscribe to me as well, and leave a comment telling me how bad at drawing I am. Do it right now.
Better than my whole channel.
This guy's dying. His
so
respiratory
hot.
system is
It's so
breaking.
sweaty.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to both of us right now, or I will steal your kneecaps. See you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.